In this video, solution to the problem number 58 uploaded on this channel on 6th January of 2021 will be discussed. This is also the appropriate time to mention that this problem is of the same type as the problem number 55 which was uploaded on 2nd January of 2021. Problem number 55 was in fact from the question paper of the entrance examination of the year of 2015 conducted by the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, abbreviated as the TIFR, for admission to their esteemed institution. Anyway, solution to this problem should begin with a little discussion on Poinsot distribution, the probability distribution function that will be used to solve this problem. Poinsot distribution is the limiting case of binomial distribution with number of independent trials, that is n, is very large, while probability of success in a single trial, that is p, is very small, so that the mean of the distribution, that is mu equal to np, given by equation 1 approaches a finite value. This important fact, which is the backbone corresponding to the solution of this problem, which is the basic concept employed to solve this problem, is also written on the board. So please read this very carefully. And the Poinsot distribution is formulated as in equation 2. It goes without saying that equation 2 is very important for this problem. So please see equation 2 very carefully. The event corresponding to which the probability is to be found is more than two individuals will suffer an adverse effect. This event is mathematically represented as in equation 3 along with its complementary event subtracted from equation number 1. I beg your pardon, along with its complementary event subtracted from 1. Equation 3 is also very important for solving this problem. Please see equation 3 carefully and please note the fact that the equation number, that is 3, is accommodated a little below the box in which the equation is written. This had to be done due to lack of space. So please bear with that. But the term p of x less or equal to 2 means probability of the event that 2 or less than 2 persons will suffer from adverse effect. This important fact is also written on the board. Please go through this carefully. And the meaning of this is mathematically stated in equation number 4. The importance of equation number 4 for this problem, for solving this problem, can hardly be overestimated. So please see equation 4 carefully. Now, plugging equation 4 in equation 3, the development is described in equation number 5. Please see equation number 5 very carefully. Now, in this particular problem, n is equal to 1000 and p is equal to 0.002. And putting these values in equation number 1, mu comes out to be equal to 2, which is written in equation 6. Equation 6 is a very small equation, yet look at it very carefully. So now, using equation number 2, 6 in equation number 5, probability is found as in equation number 7, from which very clearly option C is correct. I repeat this important conclusion once again. Very clearly option C is correct. And this information is written twice on the board to help the viewers. Well, I hope that the solution is clear to everyone after watching this video. Thanks for watching this video.